Hi, I'm Ray, and today I'm going to show you what flowers we can sow in April. It's still frosty in the mornings, so we're still being a bit cautious, but there's only a few weeks for our frost day, so it's time to get some of the bedding plants planted. So this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables and some flowers and some DIY projects, so please subscribe. So let me show you how we're going to sow our flowers and what we're going to sow in April. So starting on the list of seeds that can be sown is Lobelia, and this is colour Cascade, and this is Lobelia that I grew, and it's slowly coming through and it's a bit tiny, so I've grown them in these flat trays and I made little troughs, and I'll add a link for the video of showing these. And the other flowers that we've done in the trays is petunias, and this is Nana compacted mix, and germination of these is very small, but as we can see the tray has only had half the water, so we need to be looking at the watering of that tray. So those have been done in the trays. The larger seeds we're going to sow is going to be in this cell tray. This is the Container Wise Charles Dowding 60 cell tray, and we're just going to fill this up with some compost, and this is going to be for the larger seeds. So with that filled, just going to make a few holes with my dibber, and we can find some seeds to put into the cell tray. I've used the plastic cell trays, the cheap ones, but they've broken over the period with the sunshine. The plastic just deteriorates. So these cell trays are marvellous. We're going to get lots of use out of these. So that's all our holes made for our seeds. The first seeds we're going to sow is marigolds. We've got two different sorts. This is lemon gem. These are going to go straight into the cell tray. This is only a start of what we're going to do. So we'll do another tray later on towards the end of April. So this is the marigold seeds. These are quite small compared to some of the marigold seeds, and we're just going to put one or two of these seeds in the holes. And we're going to do 2 rows of each. They are a bit fiddly. There we go. The rest can go back. So that's marigold lemongrass, and that'll be quite interesting. The next one we're going to do is dwarf marigolds, and these should be very similar, but these are a lot larger and a lot easier to handle. So I'm just going to put one of these in each of the holes, 2 in that one, and we're going to do 2 rows of marigolds, and these are going to be grown alongside the tomatoes as they're good for attracting the old pests. So that's 2 rows of marigolds, one for the garden, one for the polytunnel. And these seeds are really easy to save, and I think there's a video on my channel of saving the seeds. Next one we're going to do is some nasturtiums. These are quite big seeds and they do well in the seed tray. If we can get the packet open, we do struggle to get these packets open. So that's that one. So these seeds are a lot bigger. This is Gleam Hybrids nasturtium, semi-double head flowers with bright colours, and as you can see they're really big seeds. So they're just going to go 1 seed in each one of these cells. That one looks a bit hollow, so we won't use that one. There we go. I'm going to save the rest and they can be done another time. So that's nasturtiums. The next one we're going to do is cosmos, and this is ladybird mix. Masses of bright semi-doubled flowers on bushy leaves. We saw my cosmos on the allotment last year. It went absolutely crazy. It took a while to go, but it did go mad. These are long, slender seeds. So we're going to put one of these in each one. Of the trays. These are hard to pick up. There we go. I'm going to save the rest of those. Next we're going to do is some sunflowers, and this is a great one for the kids to get involved. I'm doing a sunflower challenge with my daughter. These cells probably a little bit too small, but we're going to use them. So that's the sunflowers. So don't forget, as we go along, to make a note of what cells we're using. The next one we're going to do is geraniums. And these are small seeds. So we've got 3 rows left, and these are geranium colorama F2 assorted, and these are coloured seeds, and they're really unusual as they're bright green. So these are going to go into these cells. There we go. I'm going to save the rest. We're buying bright green. You can easily see them. So what have we got left? We've got some chrysanthemums. We're going to stick some of those in. And all these can just be potted up from this cell tray straight into pots or into baskets. This is the geranium, the chrysanthemum seeds, and they're going to go a couple in each hole. There we go. And quick and easy, 5-minute job. And the last one we're going to do is some dahlias. And this is big row mix, and these are quite big. You can hear them rattling around. And the last row, dahlias. So that's the dahlia seeds, and we're going to put 2 in each of these. There we are. That's done. So that's our seed tray all sewed up. Now all we need is some labels. We'll cover them up with compost and then write the labels next. So we're writing out the labels using the pencil. Cosmos. Geranium. Chrysanthemum. And dahlia. So that's all our seeds potted up, and we're just going to cover them up with the compost. Firm it down, and then we're going to give it a good water. And then this is going to sit in the greenhouse or in the polytunnel, and we can watch them grow. So we're looking forward to lots of colour in the garden. So that's a good selection of flower seeds to sow in April. So let me know in the comments, what are you sowing in April? What flowers are you starting? And have you got any seedlings on the go now? Leave me a comment and I'll reply to them all. So thank you very much for now. Cheers.